You can't always spot a fake injury claim, but oftentimes there are signs that someone is faking an injury. For example, let's say that they get in an auto crash and they call our office and they haven't been to the doctor, or a medical care provider within the last 3 weeks, and all of a sudden they're making a new complaint that they have an injury. But you got to be careful about that, because even in those cases, sometimes it takes a little while for an injury to present itself. It can come on, 2 or 3 days or maybe even a week later. At our office, we order medical records of our clients. Oftentimes we're given past medical records. If we see that the client had similar injuries a year prior to the auto crash, the same complaint that the client is complaining of today after the auto crash, that might be a sign that there is a fake injury. But even in those cases, an old injury can be exacerbated. People hurt in different ways. What might hurt one person may not have any effect on another person. Insurance companies often will look at the crash itself, and if the crash was a very minor impact, there's not a lot of visible damage on the car, insurance companies are more likely to claim that there is no injury. But even in those cases, it is well known that people can be injured even when you don't see any damage done to a vehicle.